rev it. We got jack stands for safety. Safety is very important. I only got 2 though, usually you want 4, but I mean, sometimes you can half-ass safety. Just gotta remove the axle back. And then I'm gonna remove the cat there, or the mid pipe right there. And that should be it. Gotta get it off of this rubber gasket. Yeah! Alright, we got Kimiko trying to remove the hanger. The legendary hanger says whoever removes that hanger will become the king of Freylord. You gotta twist it. You gotta go Super Saiyan, just do the grunt sound.
Oh god, look at my hands already.
That's okay. That's for Freylord. That's the Excalibur hanger. Just do
You're
it.
making me laugh, I can't do it.
You have to grunt, woman! Just, oh! The legend. The legend that is Kim. Alright, today we are at the gym of Kimiko. We're talking about gains. Can she lift this muffler? It's a stock OEM. Oh! What the?
It's pretty heavy.
Okay, never mind. That was not exciting. Oh, okay. Oh, don't just roll it down. Oh my god. It's gonna go in the sewer.
Alright, so it took a lot of hard work, but we just put our stock hangers onto the Corsa exhaust. So it looks like...
You gotta get nice and lubed.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, so next off is we have the, looks like a 13mm nut into a bolt. This is probably what's going to hook up the cat back to the cat part of the pipe. I'm going to put some anti-seize, that way it doesn't mess the threads up. You know, we do it once, we do it right. You don't want to mess up the threads.
Oh my god.
Headshot! Yeah, here you go. But I don't want to ride it when it's cold, but you know, do it like some small ones.
Hope it doesn't drone when we drive in it. That's the thing that I don't want.
It is pretty loud.
Yeah, it is.
Let's quickly compare this to mine real quick. As a reference.
Do a comparison.
I'll be test driving it while I have my co-pilot. There you go. You drive this car more than me. I don't know how it sounds like, but I will let you know if it sounds good. You can definitely tell it's a cold start now over the before, like when it cold start, it didn't even sound like it was loud or anything. Right?
Right.
Now it is kind of, to my ears, everyone thinks loud's different. Wow, it's dead now. Get off my finger. Nah. Shit, so your car's faster now. It's that placebo effect. Is it faster or what? Holy. Oh! FA20. Same motor as my car. Let's take it a little bit easy before it warms up. Jeez. It feels lighter. It feels lighter by 1 pound. I'll tell you that much.
1 pound makes a big difference.
That's like 0.1 horsepower. But it does sound good though. You hear it? No drone, no resonance, no weird things. Let's close the windows, make sure there is no drone. The NVIDIA N1 exhaust, the whole cabin is just ringing my ears. It's like, it's loud, but it's not like too loud. What gets me on the NVIDIA N1 exhaust is it just goes, that sound constantly. This one does not have it, as you can tell, right?
Did you close the garage?
Yes.
Perfect. No, it doesn't drone in this car.
If you guys were looking for something that's louder than stock, this is louder than stock, but it's not loud. It's perfect. Especially for a DD, you don't want it to be too loud. Some downshifts. Sounds traffic. Sounds good on the downshifts. Kind of bum bum bum. I think this is good. Very good.
So, just test drove the car around. The exhaust sounds a lot louder on the outside. There's no droning on the inside. Sounds really good. And overall, it's a pretty good exhaust for like 800. So it's still, you know, good price for a good exhaust. No droning on the inside, which is a plus. On the outside, it's decently loud, and I love the exhaust. Pretty good.
Yee!